Hey guys, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to repurpose a canvas that I had tried an experiment on and didn't like it, so I painted over it, and now I'm going to paint over it again, and we're going to make just a simple, very simple Christmas tree. I'm just going to be using a simple green and red for this project. I have 4 pieces of just some old chain that I have had laying around, and I've cut them each a different size, each one about 2 inches longer than the first. So I'm going to set these aside here. I'm going to do my background in red, because we know how much I like red. So now that my surface is covered, fully covered in my red, I've got this little nifty little tool. It's actually a dental pick. Make sure that that's where we need it to be. Now the fun part, you can, if you want to be really precise, is to measure the center of your canvas. If you want the tree in the center, you may want to do it off center. But, and then find the center of your chain. I'm going to start right here. And I can already tell I didn't find the center there of the canvas. I'm going to lay the next one, and I'll have to center that one up. Looks like it probably kind of needs to go that way. Now you determine the size that you want your tree to be, and it may be that you want to off-center it so that you can, put your, family name over, on one side. If you're, can draw the name, or if you're a Cricut user, make it with your vinyl. And I'm just sticking to everything here. And our last piece here. Okay, so I have my little chains in place. Now I have this little dropper. And I'm going to put my green paint in the little dropper. And then this is, you know, the only really tedious, I guess you could say, part of this is I want to try to squeeze it onto my chain. Keep it, you know, for sure keep it, try to keep it, not what I just did there, but on the bottom side of the chain, either right in it or on the bottom. Any kind of dropper, you know, that you have on hand or can find would be good to use for this. Oh, I thought I was gonna have enough to make it all the way to the end, almost. Now I'm gonna take this little pick and I wanna catch the very top of this first chain, the short chain, and I'm just going to grab it right through there, and then we're gonna start pulling it. And each time you get to a new chain, your new section, grab it, and we're gonna pull it all the way down. Now what I would come back and do after this dried, which I see it did not do what I thought it was right here, is to come back and I would let it dry and come back and do some embellishments on it with paint, of course, and make it, personalize it, you know, to your taste. Anyway, right now I don't know that it really looks exactly like a Christmas tree, but it looks pretty cool. And like I said, after it dries, come back and do some embellishments on it. Like I said, if you are a Cricut user, you can come in and put, you know, the family name or a quote or anything that you chose. But that is a pretty simple rendition of doing a little tree on your canvas, and make something personal for your house or your neighbors or your family or somebody. And I hope that you enjoyed. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this little simple but yet really cool little tutorial on creating a tree with just chain and paint. and a canvas. So hope you'll give it a try. Whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and I know you can do it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for sharing, and I appreciate your comments so much. If you're just now tuning in, I hope that you will like, share, and please subscribe. Thank you so much.